y'all, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get a business loan with the SBA. With the SBA, they have loans and financing. The funding is backed by the Small Business Administration, which is known as the SBA. With low APRs and broad usage, SBA funding programs can be a smart way to start or expand your business without driving your business deep into debt. So, with this company called Credibly, you can apply for an SBA loan directly from their website. Let's go over what is an SBA loan. SBA guaranteed loans are made by private lenders and are guaranteed up to 80% by the SBA. This helps reduce the lender's risk and helps them provide financing that's otherwise unavailable at reasonable terms. SBA loans are typically more difficult to qualify for but offer lower rates, favorable terms, and other benefits, from 7A loans and microloans to disaster loans and debt consolidation. SBA loan programs come in many different forms. Credibly can help you gain access to the best federally backed funding option you qualify for. So, with the SBA loan, this is a government loan program. What can an SBA 7A loan do for your business? The SBA has a variety of different loans available to small business owners, and Credibly is able to provide access to loans for working capital, debt refinancing, and equipment purchases with low interest rates and favorable terms. Small Business Administration loans offer numerous benefits for nearly any use. So the thing about getting a loan with the SBA is you can get a loan with better term options than you could with just applying for regular business loans for your business funding. A few things that you can use your SBA loan for is working capital. SBA working capital loans are a great option for entrepreneurs who need funds for business operating expenses. These loans fall under the category of SBA 7A loans and offer advantages specifically for small business owners seeking less than $150,000. You have your debt consolidation with rates between 5 to 8% and terms between 5 to 25 years, depending on the program and loan uses. Refinancing debt through SBA loans offer affordable lending solutions for small and growing firms. So if you own a business and you have debt within your business and your APR is high on that actual debt that you owe, you can consider doing debt consolidation with the SBA in order for you to bring that amount down where you're not paying so much in the APR rates for that business. You have your equipment purchases. The SBA 7A loans can be a great solution for financing long-term equipment. SBA international trade loans can be used for fixed assets for construction, building, and real estate equipment for export transactions. So, if you're someone who's looking to purchase equipment for your business, you can also do so with the SBA loans with the long-term equipment financing. You have your commercial real estate, and this is going to be a SBA 504 loan, and it offers commercial real estate financing for owner-occupied properties. These loans require only a 10% down payment by the small business owner, and funding amounts are from $125,000 to $20 million. So if you're looking for a way to get into commercial real estate, you can apply for the SBA loan to see about the SBA 504 loan, as long as it is owner occupied properties. So what that means is for owner occupied properties, this is going to be for someone who maybe own a hair salon a barber shop, anything that you are actually going to operate from for your business. This is not for someone to get into real estate or housing to do rentals or flipping. It is only for commercial real estate. Commercial real estate means that it's going to be buildings used for business purposes, not for you to get real estate properties to assist in allowing others to stay in those homes or for you to stay in that home. Let's go over the SBA loan requirements. As a federally backed financing option, SBA requirements are stricter than other lending programs. The application process requires you to provide more information than other financing solutions and has more strict minimum qualifying criteria, such as not having any felonies on the business owner's record. The minimum qualifying criteria is a 620 plus personal credit score, 2 years or more in business. The business owner must be a U.S. citizen or legal permanent resident, must not have outstanding tax liens, no bankruptcies or foreclosures in the last 3 years. Required documentation: signed business loan agreement, business mortgage statement if you own, business lease agreement if you rent, unexpired government issued picture ID of all owners, statements from business bank account, most recent 3 months. For loans over $100,000, they require your most recent business tax return. The interest rates and fees. Fixed interest rates start as low as 6.99%. Repayment terms from 2 to 5 years. So in order for you to apply for the SBA loan and to qualify for it, you have to be in business within 2 years or more, make 100,000 in annual revenue, and a credit score of 620 or higher. However, different SBA lenders may require elevated criteria. How long does it take for an SBA loan to be approved? The exact time it takes to be approved for an SBA loan depends on your application and your lender. SBA 7A loans typically take 2 to 3 months to be approved, but if you are working with the SBA preferred lender, your application may be approved much faster, relatively speaking. And that's where Credibly comes in, where you're able to apply directly on the site in order to move your application much quicker than going directly to the SBA website. What credit score is needed for an SBA loan? As I already stated, you will need at least a 620 to a 640 minimum in order for you to qualify for an SBA loan. Now, the thing about the SBA loans are, once you are approved for the loan, your ratings may be much better than going through a traditional business financing company or a traditional bank for your actual business loan. Now, although SBA loans may take longer to get an approval versus going through a direct business lending option, with the SBA loans, you will see that your interest rate can be much lower than going through a business lending company. So with the SBA, although the application may be longer and it may take more time, you may want to consider getting an SBA loan if you want your rates to be lower than what you may have been offered for a business funding account with another business lending company. Also, with the SBA loans, you can get term loans that's going to be longer in order for you to repay those payments. So if you have already looked into applying for business funding for your business and your rates wasn't too good, or they didn't give you enough time to pay it back, you can look into getting a loan with the SBA, just depending on how soon you need your business funding for your business. This is going to bring us to the end of this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. If you have not already, make sure you go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you're able to be notified of every new video that comes out. On this channel, I teach you guys all things finances so that you can begin building generational wealth for you and your family. And I'll talk to you guys on the next video.